everybody, and welcome to the November kit for the Stationery Selection. Let's go ahead and jump right in to see all the special treasures we have this month. Alright, so first I have my little cheat sheet and an important reminder: there is not going to be a January box, so you will not be billed in December. It's automatically done, so you don't have to worry about it. There's nothing you need to do on your part, but there is not going to be a January box. So let's jump right in. Alright, so the first thing I see here is this adorable sticker sheet, and I am noticing there is some gold foiling, so let's go ahead and take it out of the package. I mean, look how cute these stickers are. Can you even? I love the gold foiling here, and I really think this is going to translate really well for December. It feels very fall and spring, but I'm also getting a lot of like Christmassy vibes, so I'm really excited, and the colors are absolutely perfect. I love these stickers. They're a lot thicker too than I sort of guessed they would be, and it's not a washi sticker, it's actual paper, so they're not see-through, but the texture is really, really nice. I really love the feel of those stickers. Alright, we have two pens here, and you guys know I'm absolutely going to do a pen swatch so you can see how these write. But the first one is this gray Feuted Touch pen from Pentel. It's a little bit sparkly, so I wonder if there's going to be some sparkly feels. And this is actually a ceramic pen cutter. So when you open it up, there is a little blade here, which is really, really exciting. I'm really excited to see how this cuts, but I definitely want to make sure that I'm super careful. I don't know if you guys can see that tiny little ceramic blade tip coming out of there. I'll bring it in a little bit closer in a second, but this is really fun. I've never had anything like this before, and I love tools, so this is going to be great. Alright, and then here is the other pen. I actually love these brush pens. I have quite a few like this, but I don't have one in this specific color, so I'm really excited. The reason I like these pens is because the nib is soft and hard at the same time. It's like the perfect combination. And I don't know, I just really love gray. You guys know how I feel about gray. I think it's the greatest color to write in because it's not very harsh. It doesn't bleed through typically, so I am super excited to test those out. I will test those out in just a second. I want to go through everything first though. The next thing is this super chunk notepad. We've had something like this similar in the past, and I haven't even come close to like getting through it. But this is a really, really sweet design. I think these are really cute. They all have little mountain pictures, and I don't know, it's super cute. I definitely think that this is gonna go a long way and make it very, very easy to share. Another thing about this is that the name actually means mountain. And the name of the actual thing. So I don't know, I'm super excited about that. I definitely think this is probably going to be one of those things that I write on the back of and just leave this pretty thing pretty, because I don't know, I feel like it would hurt to write on these images because they're just so, I don't know, they're adorable. Alright, the next thing is this roll of washi tape, and this is a thicker roll of washi tape, which is adorable. And the name actually means in the woods. So again, we're going with that woodland, mountain sort of vibe. So let's go ahead and open it and see what it looks like. Ooh, look how bright these colors are. Look how cute this design is. Gosh, that's so adorable. And the color just matches the rest of this kit so well. Alright, the next thing are these completely painfully adorable little tea sets or tea bags. I think these images are adorable, and you better believe I'm going to be saving the packaging as well as the tea tags because I know they're absolutely adorable. And it's just a perfect excuse to slow down, enjoy a cup of tea, and just craft and be with yourself for a little bit. But I absolutely die over these images. Alright, the last thing in this kit is this super cute pen pouch, and it's also a portable trash can. So let me get it out of the package so I'm not fighting the crinkle, and I'll show you what I mean. If it looks like an envelope, you know I'm gonna be all over it, right? But look how adorable this is. You can put your pens and notepads or whatever in this front pouch to carry along with you. But it also opens up behind it with this metal snappy thing right here to turn into a portable trash can. So you can bring all your supplies with you and then throw all the little extras that you have away, which I love. And you don't have to worry about them coming out because there's this very, very nice metal closure here. There's also this little zipper pouch on the side that you can also access your trash with. Of course, there's a little silica pack in there to keep everything good to go. But I just think this is so cute, and it also comes with the cutest little trash bags. So you always have a little trash bag with you so that when you get home, you can toss all your garbage away if you wanted to, or you could recycle all the things. So I don't know, I just really think it's cute. The bags are perforated. I use bags just like this for our kitty cats for their litter box. And I don't know, I just think it's great. You can also use them for wet wipes if you want to. If you are an on-the-go mom like I am, this could be a great wipes case and then a trash can for inside your car, which now that I've said it out loud sounds like a genius idea. To be able to just put a portable pack of wipes to wipe hands and faces before you go in somewhere if you've given your child a snack to keep them calm like I do, and then be able to throw it away and keep it all together and safe. I don't know that this is going to be stationary for me. This is probably just become a super practical car item, and now that I've said it out loud, I can't unthink it. So that's really, really fun. And I don't know, I just love this. I think this is great. You can install the bags. Let's see if I can do this on camera with all of the pressure. So I don't know if you can see these little stitches right there, but that is to keep your little bag roll tucked right there. And I want to zip this up without ripping the bag, of course. We'll see how we go. And then just pull this through. I've got it, I promise. And tuck it around like so that you can pinch it and get it in. And then just push it back down. And there you go. How genius is this? I mean, come on. Who thought of this design? This is absolutely fantastic. I'm slayed over this. I'm so excited for this. But yeah, you can absolutely choose to use it for stationery if you want it to. There is nothing saying that you can't. I don't know if this will fit because this is chunky. But you know I'm gonna, oh, it totally does. It fits perfectly past these two stitches right here. And there we go. I mean, come on. This is an ingenious system, and to be honest with you, it's probably just gonna go straight to my car and just be my car trash can, because with 4 children, my car collects garbage rapidly, and being able to have a place to put all those little straw papers and treat bags and goldfish wrappers and all of that, and to be able to have a wipes case as well in here. I mean, it's ingenious. This would also be a really good gift for like a new mom if you want to give them a little diaper bag accessory. This would be a great item for that. The brand is from King Jim, and it's the Harupo, and $57.50 looks like the number item, but this is great. I don't know if there is a different color way that comes with the kits. Mitz did not specify whether or not we were all getting black or if there was other colors, but I'm sure if you wanted to look it up, you certainly could, but absolutely ingenious. So I'm super, super pleased with that. Let's go ahead and test out the ink pen and this cutter. I'm interested to see how that works. All right, I've just got my Telegram notepad here, and I'm just going to use the back of it. Oh, the nib is great. Love, 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 love. Okay, just gonna use the back of this because it's a really, really thick, hard card. And give this a little test. This would be fun to perforate things. Or if you just need to cut out some branding, if you need to put it into your journal while you're on the go. Or if you want to cut out a window. I've seen a lot of people doing that. If you're working in your journal and you want to cut a window through something, through the paper, you definitely could. That's super handy. Obviously, I'm like the least coordinated person that I know, but there we are. I love this. I love that it doesn't come out a whole lot so you can't hurt yourself. And let me show you what it looks like a little bit closer. All right, so that is pretty much it. I'm super excited about this month's kit. I can't wait to share these. These are just the cutest things, but all of these are really, really fun, and I'm excited to have a nice cup of tea. And this bag, I'm slayed over it. I love that it looks like an envelope, but the whole idea behind it is completely genius, and I'm very excited to have this now. So that is it for me. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope that you have liked this unboxing. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. And I will leave everything you need to find the stationery selection in the description box down below. Until next time, friends, thanks for hanging out with me. Bye!